Meaning of Finnish.
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 Finnish. Finnish refers to the language, culture, and people of Finland, a Nordic country in Northern Europe. The Finnish language belongs to the Uralic language family, which includes Estonian and Hungarian, and is known for its unique grammar and pronunciation. The Finnish culture is characterized by a love of nature, sauna, and heavy metal music. The people of Finland are generally considered to be reserved but friendly, with a strong sense of national identity. Overall, Finnish represents the rich history and distinct cultural heritage of this vibrant nation.